line. Are you ready to take control? What is Bitcoin really? Imagine a digital currency free from the control of governments and banks, a currency that's secure, transparent, and accessible to anyone with an internet connection. That's Bitcoin. It's like digital gold, but even better. You hold the keys. You have the power. No more relying on outdated systems. No more hidden fees or middlemen. Bitcoin puts you in the driver's seat of your financial journey. It's about taking ownership, breaking free from limitations. It's about securing your future on your terms. Ready to buy your first Bitcoin? It's easier than you think. Numerous platforms called cryptocurrency exchanges allow you to do this. Think of them as digital marketplaces. You create an account, verify your identity, and you're ready to go. Choose an exchange that resonates with you, one that prioritizes security and ease of use. Once you've chosen your platform, connect your bank account or debit card. Then, simply select the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. Remember, even $100 is a great start. Click Buy, and just like that, you're officially a Bitcoin investor. You've taken the first step toward financial freedom. Safeguarding your digital gold. You've acquired your Bitcoin. Now let's talk about keeping it safe. Remember, Bitcoin is like digital gold. You wouldn't leave gold bars lying around, would you? The same principle applies here. We need a secure vault for our digital assets. This is where digital wallets come in. These are applications that store your Bitcoin securely, protecting it from theft or loss. Think of them as your personal digital vault. There are different types of wallets, each with its own security features. Hardware wallets, for example, offer the highest level of security, while software wallets provide a good balance between security and convenience. Choose the wallet that best suits your needs and risk tolerance. The balancing act: risks and rewards of Bitcoin. Like any investment, Bitcoin comes with its own set of risks and rewards. It's crucial to understand both sides of the coin before diving in. The price of Bitcoin can be volatile, experiencing ups and downs in the short term. This is the nature of any emerging asset class. However, history has shown us that Bitcoin has consistently trended upwards over the long haul. Despite the fluctuations, its value has grown exponentially since its inception. This is the power of long-term thinking. It's about looking beyond the immediate dips and seeing the bigger picture. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is financial freedom. Track your progress, fuel your dreams. Investing is not a one-time event, it's a journey. And like any journey, it's essential to track your progress. Keep a close eye on your Bitcoin investment, not with fear, but with curiosity and excitement. Watch as it grows, even if it's in small increments initially. Each gain, no matter how small, is a step forward. More importantly, connect your investment journey to your personal goals. What are you working towards? A down payment on a house? Early retirement? Financial freedom for your loved ones? Visualize these goals. Write them down. Let them fuel your commitment to your financial journey. Take control of your future. The world is changing at an unprecedented pace. The old ways of managing money are being challenged. Are you going to be a passive bystander, or are you going to take control of your financial future? Investing in Bitcoin is more than just a financial decision, it's a statement. It's a statement that you're ready to embrace the future on your own terms. Don't let fear hold you back. Don't let uncertainty paralyze you. Take that first step. Invest your $100. Learn everything you can about Bitcoin. Become part of this exciting movement. The future of finance is here, and it's decentralized, empowering, and within your reach. Your journey to financial freedom begins today.